Changing your plan on Stampli is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure smooth transition to your desired plan. Step 1. Log in. Access your Stampli account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select subscription or plan. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled subscription or plan. Click on this option to view current plan and available alternatives. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the different plans offered and select the one that best fits your needs. Click on the plan to see more details and confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm the changes. You may need to enter payment information or agree to new terms. Once confirmed, your plan will be updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your plan on Stampli. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.